Welcome to Lane Avail Car Share University. My name is Conrad Layn. The question is, where to buy cars for Avail? Simple. Something I do personally, and I would think this takes a little time, like with any skill set. The best places I've gotten cars from, to be quite honest, I have a few places, but I'm gonna give you one of mine, an auction. But not just any auction. If you have a dealer's license, that's one of the best auctions to go to if you own a dealership or you have a dealer's license. Great. Second is any type of like auction that's part of the police department. The reason why I specifically choose police department auctions and dealer auctions, you get the first of the best pick typically. Second, police auctions allow the public to come, so even if you don't have a dealer's license, you can go in there. And the cool thing about these type of cars, these are cars that are usually seized. Maybe they're a part of a crime, maybe they're owned by some type of like crime lord or whatever. But the point is, they're not necessarily in the worst condition. They're just were taken or seized due to some type of maybe illegal activity. That's the reason. So that's one of my tips on if you want to buy a car and really get a really low price and for a good rate. You just have to get better at understanding how to pick a good car, because that's a whole nother skill set. But that's one of the secrets. Get better at learning how to pick cars, learn how to look at a car and check a car, how to make sure it's right for Avail. But that's one of the best ways. Anyways, love you guys. We're going to land Avail Car Share University. Carly out.